Good morning guys, this is video 3, 21st October 2020. We're looking at the same charts, the same currency pairs, Pound New Zealand, Euro AUD, USD CAD, SHIB JPY. So now we're hunting for the new setup or the new entry positions. So the yellow line, this is where we left off yesterday for the last trade. So we actually came out here on this pair. Around here, that's where we came out on these pairs. Alright, let's do a revision, see what happened after that. So actually, if you do recall for the video yesterday, which was labeled 20th October 2020, you'll see where we left off and we can trace it back now. So here we came out at the right position here, so the market rolled it up all the way up and came back all the way. So if you actually notice, the market did actually move much from where we left off, from where we exited the trade. Here, the market, we came out here, the market rolled up again, came back again, so it looks like it's still testing the same level, around this level here. So here we came out somewhere around here. This one we came out on break even. We came out here. We came out, yes, round here. Yes, we came out around here. The market shifted up a bit. From there it rolled down again. It just broke the support line here not long ago. So here we're looking for selling opportunities. Here we came out here, the market rallied around. So actually the market has been in play here, which is called ranging market. Market has been ranging up, down, up, down, up, down. And if it's possible, this is the best scenario for you to leave or to ignore trending here. Or if you have a ranging market side, you could buy, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. Assuming you see this kind of setup, say like this is a selling opportunity here, there was a selling opportunity here, there was a selling here, and here there was a two double settings here. Alright then, so how are we going to find a new trend or new direction for our trade for the day? We look for the major trend first. So here we'll be taking an example for all the pairs, Pound and New Zealand first, and I'll walk you through. So to determine the major trend or what we're gonna be doing for the whole day, we'll look at the major trend. In this case, the red is on top. If the red is on top, red represents selling or selling pressure. So here we'll be looking for selling opportunities here, and this is being confirmed by another minor trend which is down here. So this is a selling here, but here there's a bit of a conflict because this should be verifying or agreeing with the upper one. So basically what it looks like, we determine the major trend, which is a sell, and the confirmation or the mini trend must agree with the first indicator. With the third MD must also agree with this one here. So this must agree with both of these, and this must agree with this, this, and this. So we look here, we're looking for selling. This has been confirmed, selling here, but this is not confirming the sell. This is not confirming this indicator. So here we're actually going to have to wait for a bit until everything sets up into red. Same thing here, we can see the sellers are drying up, buyers are coming in. So here still we have no movements here, so we have to wait for this. We can't have any position this side here. Euro AUD, we see buyers are coming in here, they sign for buying. We had support, usually we go for buying if we are coming from support, and we have all the matching conditions. So here major trend, setting, confirmation trend, setting, MD still the same as this one here, it's not growing here. Here buyers are coming in too, so here we have no trend here to take. Here sellers are in control, confirmed. Here still there's a conflict, and here sellers. So here we have to wait for this indicator to confirm. So here we have no positions to take. Here we have sellers on indicator 2. Here sellers here and sellers here. Alright, here, so the only option we have here is for this pair here. At this moment of time, the red is on top, red is on top, red is agreeing with this three, and here red is on top of this. So sellers are the major trend. This major trend is being confirmed by a minor trend. MD is confirming this indicator and this indicator. So here selling is also confirming now everything. So we have 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, 4 red on top. Now we need a trigger. So our trigger point will have to wait for either a magnum or pink color or a red candle, this red diamond, round right here. So let's wait and see. So we only have to wait for a buying signal now. The signal to go buying or to go selling, sorry, as I have to say. That's the only thing we're waiting for. So here, waiting for the pink or the diamond start to appear on this candle here. And then we'll go sell. So I'll let you know how the thing gets on. I'll come back to it and we will see if we have anything. Alright guys, we are back. So this is a new 30 minutes candlestick. So here not much has changed. Actually here not much change has happened because we still have a conflict here, a conflict here, a conflict here. So here, now here we've broken the support. This level here, we have a buying trigger point here. Everything's matching up. So if we look down here as well, round here on this new candle we have one red, two red. So we still have to wait for entry. We need 3 reds to enter into the same direction. So we can only have currently for now 1 red here where the line is, the yellow line is 1 red, 2 red, 3 red. This is the last red, so 3 red. Yeah, so 3 red here, so we might actually enter because we have 3 against 7. So no, we might have to wait. Let's wait up for at least 4. Let's wait for at least 4. Yes, not much activity, so let's wait for at least 4 here because we only have 1. And here the last previous green is green, the previous color, this is color here is red, current here is buy, we have a blue here, red. So it's not really good much of a sell here. Let's keep an eye. I'll let you know. Let's keep an eye. Let's keep a little eye and see how we get on. But this is the best option as we have for now for selling. So we still have support line here. We just broke this support, which now is turning into resistance. We have a selling trigger point here, which is the last red color here, diamond. There is a pink here, and we have a diamond here. So we'll just wait and see. So this one here, we can see, but these are still have to wait for these color changes to reconfirm these previous color. So this also has to be red to match up this, and this has to match up whatever is on top. So yeah, let's wait. Yeah, we can see now even the buyers are trying to creep in. So let's wait and see. So I think it's best way to have at least 4 matching colors. So 4 matching colors to enter to this direction. Since it's been raining, so yeah, even the buyers are coming in. So I'll let you know guys on this wait up. Alright guys, we are back. So here, like we said, the market might actually trace back because of here we do not have enough signals to re-enter. So the market has pulled back here, so this has saved us. However, if you look back again now, this is not a sell. Now here we have a potential for sell. So I'll walk you through. Here definitely we have a potential for sell here. So source here. Alright, so here. Should we enter for sell? I'll show you. Alright, let's count. Here we have a trigger sell, red, red. But here we don't have a red as yet, so here we're gonna have to wait. However, here we have one red. The last signal here was green. So here green, green. So here we have another 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 for a sell. So we keep an eye here for a sell. Okay. Once this turns into a red, we'll enter a sell here. And let's look out here. Let's look around here. So here we have, this is a red, 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 red. So here now, this plays a very big part here to enter into this major direction. So we have 1 red here. So remember there are 7 indicators. So we look for 4 or 5, but I'll look for 4. I'll try to look for 4 depending on the situation. So here I need at least 4 to go into selling. So let's wait here and see. Let's count. This is 1 red. So this is the last red we see here. So this is 2 red. So this is 3 red, and this is 4 red. So we have 4 red here against all these. So here I'm going to enter for sell. So here I've pressed sell here. Now stop loss has been pressed up here. So all I have to do now is drag my stop loss around here for sell. Alright, here, look here guys. Here it's playing out, it's coming up here, it's coming out soon. So let's go back here now. Here I've entered for sell position because I had 4 out of 7. So here, what do we have here? Still, this is a barrier here. So here we have an hindrance here. This is a barrier here stopping us from going sell. But however, we have 1 green, 1 red. So the last signal here was green. So this we discount this. So this we ignore this as well. So we have 1 red. Alright, so we have 2 red, 3 red, 4 red. So here 4 against 7. So here was maybe another potential for sell back because this is still green on top. This we ignore. So I'll let you know guys. Here now, look here. So this is a dead market now here because the red is on top, green, 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 green. So here it looks like we actually will be looking for potential for buying. So we'll wait and see. So here, just to review, I had a sell signal here. You see double sell signals, 1 pinkish, 2 red diamonds. So that's actually I had back to back 2 signals here. So here the red was on top, red, red. I'm looking at where the yellow vertical line is actually pressed out. That's what I'm counting from. So here I have a sell signal 1. So red is on top, red is on top, red is on top, red is on top. So the major session here or section up here is for selling. So now I want for a reconfirmation. Remember here I'm looking for 3 or 4, but I'll be looking for 4 just to be on the safer side. So I'm looking for 4 reds. So where the line is, this is 1 red here, 2 red here because this is the last signal. The last red bar was here, so this is 2. I have the word sell here 3, and here 4. You see here, here. This is the last red signal. So I have 4 against 7. So here, that's why I've entered for sell position here. Okay, so we'll keep an eye. Stop loss has been moved right here, just in case here. So I'll get back to you guys and we'll see how we get on. Alright guys, I'm back. We just entered for selling opportunity USD card. Okay, market has retraced. Market actually fell down here. Retraced down up again here. So now here we should be coming out here, exiting this trade here, because we have 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green, 5 green. So here actually on this candle should be coming out of this position. So it's not actually worked out. So at times you win, at times you lose. So here what I'm gonna have to do is to move my stop loss just around here, or I could just choose to close it off. So if you want to close it off, let me see, I could just go here, close it off, or just move my stop loss close and see. Yeah, so I think there's a change of trend because even here the buyers are coming in now clearly here, because before it was all green or red, but now it's turning to green. So since I have 5 against 7, so I think it's best I come out with a small loss of like 10 points, which is about 80 cents. 8 cents. So I think that's what I'm gonna have to happen now. So I might have to choose to come out of this trade run here, or still hold on until I'm taken out. Or but since I have 1 green, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5 reasons to come out, I think this trade I might just come out of it. Let's see how's the USD card by itself doing. Let's look at the indexes. So according to here, the dollar is still down, and the Canadian dollar. Let's see about the Canadian dollar. What's happening with Canadian dollar? The Canadian dollar. Oh yeah. So the Canadian dollar looks like it's reversing. It's coming from overbought. So that's why. So that's why we're getting this thing here, because this is an analysis of the Canadian dollar by itself. This is the dollar by itself. So you see we're having a pullback in the Canadian dollar, so maybe that's why. That's why this thing is reversing so heavily. So, but the dollar still very strong on the downside. This we can see some signals coming in, so it's more of a selling now than a buy. Though the buyer is still in control, so we might have to look back. It looks like the Canadian soon might be reversing down, especially coming from extreme zones as well. So let's wait and see. Yeah, and also the dollar's pulling up a bit, so that's why, because the dollar also is telling me to come out to exit this trade here. The dollar is telling me to come out, so gap in between these two is still huge. The gap is still huge, but here I can see sellers are coming into play. So let's see and see. But if you want, you have two options. Close off the trade, because here we also have reasons to come out. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 7. So yeah, we might have to choose to come out of this trade here. So let's wait and see. And here to come out of the long position here, to come out from the long position, we have one red, say 2 reds, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this trade, there's a higher chance I'm going to be taken out. So let's track and see. Let's track and see this thing how it's playing out. So here we have an option: leave, move the stop loss closer, or come out, because we have a confirmation of 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green, 5 green. So this trade we might have to choose to close it off, or let's see if we'll be taken. Let's give it some chance to see if we'll be taken out. I'll come back and let you know, guys. We'll track it and see. Okay, guys, it looks like I might be taken out here. The market's actually coming up very strong here, so I might be taken out. But that's because the Canadian is losing, it's falling heavy. Looks like the Canadian, yes, the Canadian is falling very, very heavy. That's why. Yeah, Canadian is falling very heavy. The Canadian has been from buying. Now it looks like the sellers actually coming in heavy. So you see, that's why the market is retracing on me. I can see here. Here I had an exit here to come out. I had all the reasons to come out of this Canadian. So it looks like the Canadian actually is falling. The pound is rising heavy. Chef is rising heavy. This is Chef actually is the Swiss franc. So let's check on the euro. The euro, no, nothing happening on the euro by itself. Nothing is really happening on the euro. Okay, so let's check on the Canadian dollar and see. So let's see. Canadian is falling. Audi, New Zealand. Let's see. Japan is rising. Yes, Japan is rising because this chart is actually it is inverted. So because you see the difference, this comes the currency and then the prefix, and here's the prefix comes first and then the currency. That's why this thing is actually inverted. So when you see this thing falling, actually it's rising. So the Canadian, oh, so Canadian Japan card or card JPY is actually falling heavy. I think I'm taken out really if I can see the Canadian is falling very heavy. It looks like I'm being taken out now. So let's check and see. I'm still in play, but I think I've lost about 13 points, which is about $1. So this is quite a huge number of points here. So let's wait and see. This is falling back again. Things are changing. Everything is changing here. So before it was sellers, and now the buyers actually coming in very strongly. So look, pure greens here. So the pound is rising very heavily. I think I might be taken out on this trade with a loss of 13. Yeah. So let's wait and see. So here I can clearly see here the buyers are coming in strong here. Buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in. Here buyers. Let's see here. Here we have two buyers, etc. So there's a bit of an issue here. So we'll see. Oh yes, you see in this indicator, the one that has sell, there's two indicators in one. So what I'm gonna have to do is split it up. So every line will be seen clearly because here there's this blue and the yellow line, so I'm gonna have to split this thing up. So that means I'll have actually one more line here to split it up. Yes, okay. Let's check, guys. Let's check. I've been taken out here. Yeah, I've been taken out. But like I said, there was an option for me to come out here before, at the starting of this kind of looks. Okay, I've actually cut a loss, so I've been taken out here. So let's go back here. Okay, I see here stop loss has been taken out, so I've lost, let's say, $1.1, so almost $1.14, which is about 15 points. So this has been a loss, guys. I've been taken out here with a loss, but I could have minimized this loss by coming out here. Like I said, here I had 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons to come out, 4 out of 7. So I could have minimized, I could have come out with a small loss, but this is okay. I see here being taken out. So all right, do we have any buying opportunities? So let's look here, the euro Australian dollar. So the euro here we have, let's see here, the euro Australian dollar is what we have here. Okay, let's load this thing up. All right, then the euro is breaking out, and euro buyers are coming in. So how many greens do we have? One green, from what I can see here. 2, 3 greens. So this is not actually a buy. So 3 out of 7. 3 out of 7. So let's see, 3 out of 7 here. So we wait. Let's wait for even this color to close up, so we clearly find out. So London session has just opened up here. So if we go look at seeing every single currency, we'll find out what's happening here. So let's look for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's first do the first 4. All right, the euro is in a buy. You see, guys, here it's not really buy because MD is not actually confirming this, so this is not a buy. The dollar's falling heavy. The dollar's still in 4, so we should be coming out because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 against 7 here. So could the dollar fall further? And I don't know, but let's watch and see, because here the gap is too big. So let's see. I think we might get a small retracement up before thing falls down. So the pound has actually broken up. So the pound is really broken out. All this thing here. So guys, green. So we have 1 green, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the dollar is actually getting very stronger. And guys, look at the gap here, the distance between these two. So the bars actually is far away from the sellers. So the gap here is quite huge. So the pound's getting very strong here. So guys, if anyone's interested, I'll show you what you might have to do. So since we know the pound is getting stronger, so we look for a weaker pattern. So let's look for the weaker pattern. So if we look at the pound card, though I'll take it back. So let's just look at the pound card here. Pound card. So we expect a very big move up. So pound card. Internet is getting low, so my internet is playing up here. So let's see, yes, pound card, yes guys. So that's why we had a very big huge difference here because of the pound card. So pound card, if you guys were interested in moving this thing, we should have gone for a buying position right here, because here, if you were actually trading the pound card or the pound against the Canadian dollar, here we had buyers. So green. We had 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green, 5 green, 6 green, plus a signal. So we have almost everything was telling us to go for a buy here. So guys, here we could have gone for a buy here if we were doing a pound card. And trust me, this is a very huge difference here. So let's say we're doing £5 a point, so we're looking about 5 times 4, so we're looking about £300 here on just this, in less than in one hour. In 1 hour we would have made almost £300. In Ugandan money, it's almost 1.2 million. That's about 1.2. So it's about, we're looking about here, 500 pounds, 500 pounds here, or $200, $250. Yeah, which is about 300 pounds here. So, all right, guys, I'll get back to my pound New Zealand. That's the pair I'm actually interested in. So let's go back to pound New Zealand. Let's see what we're having here. So pound New Zealand, pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand is loading up. So yes. So guys, we see here, we don't hesitate to come out. Oh, it's very important to press a stop loss. So I entered the setting on this candle. The thing moved all the way down here, which was in a profit. And now the thing has taken all the way. It's rising up again. So like I said, could have chosen to come exit this trade here. Exit this trade here. Here. Should have chosen to come out of this trade here because we had all process to come out. I had a stop loss here, so the stop loss has been hit. So we look for another trading opportunity. Euro Audi. Let's see, Euro against Audi. Buying. No, this is still a sell. Green. It looks like the sellers actually are coming in, guys. So the sellers are coming in. So we sell signal here, selling. So let me see how many reds for the sell. We have one. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 7. So let's wait up and see. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. If I get anything else, I'll get back to you, and we'll see how far we go.